Hi there. Here I'm going to show you the difference between a prefab and a model. So, first things first, they have different icons. This one I can tell is a model based off of this icon here, and I can tell that this one is a prefab based on this icon here. If I look in my file structure here, you can see that there's a difference between these two, where a model can be expanded, and I can see its hierarchy, what is included in it, which is the root level pieces and components, although I can't see any deeper. Whatever material is on it, as well as the meshes that are required and any animations that are on there if any exist. Whereas in the prefab, I cannot expand it into its hierarchy components from this menu. So that is the first difference. Second difference is the icon. Even if the names are the same, you can tell the difference based on the icon here. And third is when it's in your project, you can look here and the icon is remain. In order to turn a model into a prefab, this is very easy. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either work with it by childing it or anything else. Like doing this would work if I wanted to. And this will create a prefab of the name example if I clicked and drag it over into here. So all I need to do is click and drag, and you'll see example will become blue, making it a prefab. And now I've made an example, which is a prefab of the object. You can see it has the same thing as the log. Okay, and when I try and move it out, I get that warning. Now, the other method, let's just quickly bring my lock back in. Another method that you could utilize to turn an object into a prefab is the following, where first you're going to want to right-click the object, and then you can click Unpack Prefab or Unpack Prefab completely. Either will work. And you will see now that the icon has changed. It no longer has its reference to the model it was previously. And all I need to do is then just click and drag it over to the right, and now I have a prefab of my model. Now, within Hyperscale's packaging system, prefabs are a necessary component of correctly packaging your object, which I will go into in other videos. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope that this has helped for you in distinguishing what the difference between a prefab and a model is within your file hierarchy. Thank you.